In order to learn the conjugation of the ER verbs, we need to practice regularly. Shall we see some more of the ER verbs? For example, let us take the verb ashate. Ashate, it means to buy. So since the verb ends with ER, the rules are the same. We remove letters E and R and we replace them with A-C-H-E-T-E. Ashit. But here, since there is a vowel clash, you remember what we would do? We would replace the first vowel with an apostrophe. So, jashit. The next one, for tu, do you remember what is the rule? Yes. E-S. Tu ashate. For il, il ashate. For L, it is L ashate. For nu, what would you do for nu? We would replace E and R with the letters O-N-S. So, nu, nous achetons. For vous, we would replace the letters E and R by E-Z. Vous achetez. Notice that for nu and vous, the accent here is removed. For il, we would replace ER by the letters A and T. For L, it is also the same as il. So, can you say it along with me? J'achète, tu achètes, il achète, elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, ils achetons, elles achetons. So, if you translate this in English, what would it be? I buy, you buy, he buys, she buys, we buy, you buy, they buy, and they buy. Now, using the subject pronoun and the verb, you might be able to form very small sentences. For example, how would you say, I bought a dress? So, I buy a dress. So, you know what you say for I. It is je. What is the verb, the infinitive form for buy? It is acheter. However, for je conjugation, do you remember what is the now verb? It is j'achète. So, I buy a dress. Une robe. So, we have formed a simple sentence. You can practice by trying to form your own sentences in French. So, shall we learn some more verbs, ER verbs? For example, let us take the verb manger. Manger means to eat. So, it is also an ER verb. So, once more, can you tell me the rules? If a verb ends with ER, how would we conjugate it? We would remove the E and R, letters E and R, and replace them with E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, and ENT. So, are you ready to conjugate the verb manger? je. So we would remove E and R. And for je, what would we add? We would add E. So, je mange. For tu, we would remove E and R and replace it with ES. For il, we would remove E and R and replace it with E. For L, we would remove E and R and replace it with E. For nous, for the verb manger, there is a small change. Normally, we would remove E and R and replace it with ONS. For the verb manger, you have to add EONS. This is just a small change for the verb manger for the conjugation of nous. Next, for vous, it is MANGEZ. For il, you would remove ER and replace it with ENT. For L, you would remove E and R and replace it with ENT. So, when we translate this, what would you get? Je mange, I eat. Tu manges, you eat. Il mange, he eats. Elle mange, she eats. Nous mangeons, we eat. Vous mangez, you eat. Ils mangent, they eat. Elles mangent, they eat. So, I hope you understood this. Most of the ER words do not have any changes. It is E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. For the word manger alone, you have to remember, for nous, we add an E in between. So, I hope you have understood. Are you ready to see some more verbs?